The Seoul Museum of History is set to introduce a night walk program later this month, offering tours of Gyeonghui Palace in central Seoul and insights into its historical significance, city officials announced on Monday. Gyeonghui Palace, one of the 5 palaces in the capital from the Joseon Dynasty 1392 to 1910, served as a residence for Kings Sukjong, Yeongjo, and Jeongjo before much of it was destroyed during Japanese colonial rule from 1910 to 1945. Restoration efforts began in the late 1980s, leading to the reconstruction of several sections, including Sungjeongjeon Hall, which were opened to the public in 2002. The program, slated for June 21 and 22, is the first of its kind since the palace became accessible to the public. Gyeonghui Palace is a quiet palace that is good for a walk in the city center and is free to enter. It will feature an instructor and author who will guide participants through the palace, detailing its significance and historical context. There will be 2 sessions each evening, from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock p.m. and 7 o'clock 30 minutes to 9 o'clock 30 minutes p.m. with a maximum of 25 participants per session. Interested individuals can register at museum.seoul.go.kr or yeyak.seoul.go.kr.